Hey guys, Alex D'Angelo here, and welcome back for another ceiling fan video. And today I'm going to be showing you the second out of three SEAGULL builder fans in the villa that I'm staying in here in Florida. This one's installed in the living room, as you could tell. Same one as the one in the master bedroom. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you guys the third one just because my sister's in there, so I don't want to bother her. But anyways, I'll demonstrate. This fan's got 5 blades, same one as the other. There's no big difference between the two really. Same exact one. It's kind of dirty, as you can see. Here's the SEAGULL pull chain pendant. You can tell it's actually a SEAGULL, which is great. Here's the top. It's on a down rod. Got some tags up there. And the blades, I believe, are reversible to a different color on the other side, but I like this color much better, obviously. Anyways, we'll demonstrate it now. We'll start it up on low. Later on, I might actually do a video showing you guys all the ceiling fans running on all speeds. In a bit, though, maybe after I'm done filming this one. But again, this one doesn't really perform that much differently. It's a little bit slower than the one in the bedroom, but still nice. Sorry, I just had to chill. Anyways, that's low. Pretty aesthetic. Doesn't really go that fast, but I do like that because it's nice and aesthetic. But here's medium. Medium was the speed it was on when we first walked in here last night. Pretty nice fan. Medium is a little bit faster, but not that much faster. And high. High speed is a pretty typical 52-inch medium speed. Again, I'm assuming the capacitor might be a little weak in this one, but I'm not 100% sure. That'd be my guess, though. As you can see, the blades are out of alignment, but the fan doesn't wobble, surprisingly. So, yeah, that's kind of special. Pretty cool. Blows a decent breeze. It's not bad. Yeah. But yeah, the fan doesn't wobble at all, actually, which is kind of surprising. But I'll turn the switch off now. But there you go. That is the second out of 3 52-inch SEAGULL builder fan ceiling fans. This one in particular being installed in the living room. So Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.